Welcome. What if I told you that in 2025, the rules of money are changing? AI, inflation, and new investment trends mean you need a smarter financial plan than ever before. Whether you're drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or just want to build real wealth, this video is your step-by-step blueprint. Most people never learn how money really works. They get stuck in debt, miss out on investments, and retire broke. But today, we're fixing that. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to budget like a pro, even with rising costs in 2025, the fastest way to pay off debt, where to invest for maximum growth, how to build passive income streams, and the exact steps to retire early. No fluff, just proven strategies. Let's dive in. Prices are rising, but your paycheck might not be. So how do you stay ahead? Step 1. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets a job. Track income, assign expenses, and leave no room for waste. Step 2. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, housing, food, utilities. 30% wants, but smarter, subscription audits, cashback apps. 20% savings debt. Prioritize high-interest debt first. Step 3. Automate your finances. Set up automatic payments for bills, savings, and investments. Outsmart your own spending habits. Mathematically, avalanche, high interest first, saves more. But psychologically, snowball, small debts first, keeps you motivated. New 2025. Strategy, the hybrid approach. List all debts, from highest interest to lowest. Attack the top two aggressively. Roll payments into the next debt. Banks are tightening policies in 2025. Here's the exact script to lower your APR. With inflation, aim for 6 months of expenses, but keep it in a high-yield account, not a checking account. Sinking funds for big expenses. Stop being surprised by big bills. Plan ahead with dedicated savings buckets. Where to put your money now? The S&P 500 is still king, but here's what's changing in 2025. The 3-tier investment strategy. Safe wealth. Index funds. Roth IRA. 401k match. Growth plays. Tech ETFs. AI stocks. Crypto small caps. Passive income. Dividend stocks. Rental properties. Digital assets. Retirement calculator check. Plug in your numbers. Are you on track to retire by 40, 50, or 60? Forget Uber. These are the real moneymakers in 2025. Scaling to 10K per month passive. Turn your time into assets that pay you while you sleep. Here's your homework. Pick one thing to implement this week. Budget, debt payment, or first investment. Drop a comment with your #1 money goal for 2025. If this helped, smash like, share with a friend, and subscribe. We drop deep dives every week. Let's make 2025 your richest year yet.